In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what you owe vendors using the accounts payable and balances in QuickBooks Online. Managing and keeping track of vendor balances is a critical part of maintaining good financial health in your business. Let's dive right in and simplify this process. First, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll see a little gear icon. This is your gateway to many of the settings and features in QuickBooks. Go ahead and click on that icon. By doing so, you'll open up a menu filled with various options designed to help you better control and manage your accounts and financial data. From the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of all accounts you've set up for tracking your business finances in QuickBooks. So, click on Chart of Accounts, and that will take you to a new page dedicated solely to this comprehensive list. Now here's where tracking your vendor balances comes into play. On this list, you're going to specifically look for the entry labeled Accounts Payable. Accounts Payable is essentially the account that houses all obligations or invoices you need to settle with vendors. Within this entry, you will notice an open balance figure, giving you a quick snapshot of the total amount your business currently owes to its vendors. This alone is quite handy for understanding your immediate financial obligations, but often you'll need a more detailed look at the transactions contributing to this balance, and QuickBooks makes it easy to get that detailed view. To do this, all you need to do is click on the View Register link associated with the Accounts Payable entry. This will take you to a report that lays out all transactions that have been logged under Accounts Payable. By looking at this transaction register, you can see specifics like invoice dates, amounts, and even which vendor is associated with each invoice. It's all right there, laid out in a format that's easy to digest, allowing you to analyze what's owed, what might be overdue, and what you should prioritize. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can have a clear understanding of your outstanding vendor obligations right at your fingertips. This insight helps ensure you stay on top of your payables, maintain good relationships with your vendors, and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.